Yo! What is up, my legion of leasers, my army of apartment maniacs in the house? What's going on, guys? You got your boy, M.E., the Matt Easton. Here's what I want to talk about today. I want to cover a couple subjects that are going to make your life so much easier in leasing. Make things incredibly smooth for you. Allow you to stop worrying about each and every deal. Am I going to get this renewal? Am I going to get this lease? What's going to happen with the person that looked at the 2-bedroom yesterday? Will they come back? I don't know. We're going to eliminate all of that uncertainty that you have going on in your life with one thing, and that is changing the way you live and becoming NSO. Who wants to unmute themselves and take a guess at what I mean when I say a skillful, a professional, an elite level property management professional needs to be NSO? What do you think that means?
No idea.
No idea. Is that the great and powerful Amanda?
Yes.
Amanda, I appreciate you at least unmuting yourself. But let me tell you what NSO means. It means, and by the way, property managers, leasing agents, leasing consultants, regional managers, CEOs, NSO will help you in your personal life as well. NSO is being next step obsessed. Next step obsessed. What does it sound like to be next step obsessed? Hey, Amanda, you there?
I'm sorry, what was the question?
Does it make sense to go sign the lease?
Yes.
Congratulations, you made a great decision. What happens next? Next step obsessed. We're going to fill out the application. It takes typically 24, 48 hours to get that back. At that point, we'll let you know the results, and then bump. Let them know your next step. Amanda, tell me no. Hey, Amanda, does it make sense to go sign the lease?
Yes.
No, tell me no. Amanda, does it make sense to go sign the lease?
No.
Got it. Got it. What's a good next step then? And what I want you guys to do is just simply remain calm, remain cool, remain collected. Got it. What's a good next step then? And allow that person to tell you what the next step is. Somebody else unmute yourself. Give me another volunteer. Paige, what's up? Hit the unmute. Does it make sense to go sign the lease?
No.
Got it. What's a good next step then?
How can I apply?
Perfect. Yeah, we'll start the application process right now. Boom. Move through it. You guys are making it way too easy on me, right? But notice how you can make it so much easier for yourself. The problem is you guys are not focusing on being next step obsessed. You're focusing, you're saying unskillful things like, do you want to fill out the application? Right? Which is not what you want in life. Ask somebody if it makes sense. By asking somebody if something makes sense, do you want to fill out the application? Do you want to renew your lease? Do you want to bring your partner by to look at the community? When you say, does it make sense to blank? By saying, does it make sense, you're asking them a timing question. So they cannot reject you on doing the thing you want them to do, only on the timing of it. So if they say no to does it make sense, you're perfectly positioned you to say, got it, what's a good next step then? Right? But if I say, do you want the apartment? No. That perfectly positions me to become a 9-year-old little kid and whine and cry and say things like, why not? You know you want to live here. This is a great community. Come on. I need a lease or I'm going to get fired. Right? Do you want to fill out the application? No. Why not? We've got a rooftop saltwater dog wash. Come on. Just simply put, does it make sense in front of whatever it is that you're asking? Does it make sense to renew your lease? No, not right now. Got it. What's a good next step then? Well, I'm really busy right now. I've got the afternoon off. I'm getting ready to go play Frisbee golf. That sounds fun. How about we do this? Can you call me tomorrow at 12:30? Fantastic. I'll call you tomorrow, 12:30 p.m. if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? Now notice you can make any statement in this world, y'all, if you put fair enough at the end of it. And you don't seem rude, you don't seem pushy, you don't seem manipulative, you don't seem forceful. Because you're not rude, pushy, manipulative, or forceful, because you said fair enough at the end, you're giving the other person the opportunity to say, no, that doesn't work for me. So I want you guys to be next step obsessed. Does it make sense to blank? Does it make sense to go sign the lease? No. Calm, cool, collected. Listen to my tonality. It's almost like you're trying to find the words. It sounds like this. How you say something is just as important as what you say. Okay? And the world needs to understand this, because we got a lot of passive-aggressive people running around the world with smart alecky tones of voice. They sound like this on the time. Right? You got to stop that. Hey, does it make sense to go sign the lease? No. Got it. What's a good next step then? Not, does it make sense to go sign the lease? No. What's a good next step then? Right? That sounds like you're being a jerk. Be cool, be calm, be confident, be collected, but always set a next step. Does it make sense to go sign the lease? No, not right now. Got it, understood. What's a good next step then? I don't know. Now point the question back at yourself. When somebody says, I don't know, people love to boss other people around. This is psychology. You guys can use the power of psychology, the power of the mind, to get what you want in this world without being a jerk, without being pushy, without being manipulative, without being forceful. Simply point the question back at yourself. Does it make sense to go sign the lease? No. Got it. What's a good next step then? I don't know. Makes sense. What's a good next step for me? Call me tomorrow at 2. Fantastic. Wanted to let you know I can't hold this apartment. No sweat though. If we lose this one, I'll work with you. We'll find the next best one. Right? Notice the difference in what I said there. I am dropping golden bombs of knowledge on you. If you tell somebody, I can't hold this apartment, if you don't lease it right now, you're going to lose it. You don't want to lose the apartment that you love. The more you push like that, the more they're going to push back on you. In this world, people do things. They're exponentially more likely to do the thing you want them to do based on their reasons, not your reasons. So when you guys are saying things like, come on, you're going to lose this. I only have one of these left. It's going fast. This is my best floor plan. All that's going to do is make that person want to go, yo, stop trying to sell me. But if you simply say this, totally understood. I just want to be very clear with you. This is my only unit of this floor plan. This is a very popular floor plan. I have 5 other tours scheduled today. The likelihood that one of those 5 is going to take this apartment is very high. I wanted to make sure I communicated that to you, because I've had people come back and go, hey, I want it. That's on me if I don't communicate to you that it's going to be gone. Okay? But no sweat. No need to worry. If we lose this one, I am very skillful at what I do. I will work with you. We will find the next best place for you. If I don't have anything left at this community, I have some sister communities that I can call. If they don't have anything left, I know just about every community here in the city. I'll be able to point you in the right direction. Just want to make sure that you're clear. This one is not going to hang out on the market long. But I'm the person that will help you find the next best one if you need to wait, right? You're going to find that person go, oh, okay. Because that's being cool, that's being collaborative, that's being helpful. And they're going to call you right back and go, hey, I've decided I want to grab that one. Is it still available? Absolutely. Does it make sense to sign the lease? Yes, it does. Perfect. What happens next? Next step obsessed. I'm going to send you over a link to the application. We get those back within 24, 48 hours. Okay, let's go worst case scenario. Does it make sense to sign the lease? No. Got it. What's a good next step then? I don't know. What's a good next step for me? I don't know. They still tell you I don't know. Now you've earned the right to set a next step. Sounds like this. Makes perfect sense. I can't hold this apartment. If we lose it, I will work with you. We'll find the next best one. How about we do this? It's Friday at 10:12. How about I give you a call this afternoon around 4:30 before the leasing office closes? Fair enough? Sure, yeah, call me today at 4:30. How about we do this? Today's Friday. I'll call you at 4:30 before the leasing office closes. Fair enough? No, that's not going to work. I need the weekend to think about it. Hey, makes perfect sense. How about I call you Monday at 2? Yeah, Monday at 2 is much better for me. Cool. Now you know you're calling that person back Monday at 2. Guys, if you simply change the way you are doing your job, you will have to do exponentially less work. What happens is you guys are talking to people. One of your favorite residents walks by the desk there in the leasing office. Hey, Tom, I noticed your lease is coming due here next month. Do you want to knock out the renewal? I hope you're saying that. Hopefully you're saying that. But Tom goes, no, I'm busy. And what do? Okay, thanks. See you later, bye. You've done all of this work in talking to Tom, and yet you have nothing to show for it. Let's say there's a new regional manager position open with your portfolio, and you want that job, and your current boss is named Meredith. Hey, Meredith, I noticed there's the regional manager position was just posted. Does it make sense to put me in that role? No, Matt, it doesn't. Oh. Okay, thanks. That's how most people are living their lives. How millionaires, billionaires, and trillionaires are living their lives. Hey, Meredith, I noticed there's a regional manager position available. Does it make sense to put me in that role? No. Got it. What's a good next step then? Well, I mean, you've only worked here for 3 days. We're hoping to see a little bit more out of you. Could you circle back with me after you've got a month under your belt, and we'll kind of revisit the situation? Perfect. I will circle back with you on the 28th of next month if we haven't talked about it before then. Fair enough? Yeah, that works for me. Right? Hey, Meredith, I noticed there's a new regional manager position available. Does it make sense to put me in that role? No. Got it. What's a good next step then? I don't know. Makes sense. I'm really excited about this role. What's a good next step for me? I don't know. How about we do this, Meredith? I will circle back with you about the same time next week to talk about it. Fair enough? Sure. In life, you cannot expect your residents, your prospects, your boss, your CEO to have your best interest in mind and give you all the stuff that you guys need. Leases, renewals, referrals to the community. You have to ask for what you want in life. And you have to be NSO, next step obsessed. And guess what? The cool thing about this is life will go smooth for you. You'll have to do a lot less work. That's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today, is being NSO. Who's got questions for me on this? Who's got questions for me on anything? We've got a few minutes left today. I'm happy to answer any questions you've got.
The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're gonna help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.